This easy Mexican salad is packed with vegetables and is one of my favorite recipes to keep in the fridge at all times. It's one of those recipes that you can easily eat for lunch, as a snack after work, or you could serve it at a party or bring it to a potluck event. Here's how you make this easy Mexican salad with ranch. First, let's walk through the recipe and I'll teach you how to prepare all of the ingredients. Before you start preparing the ingredients that go into this salad, take out the frozen corn and let it thaw in a strainer. I've tried this Mexican pasta salad with all types of Mexican cheeses, and one of my favorite ways to make it is actually with the smoked mozzarella. I slice the mozzarella into chunks that are bite-sized pieces, and I like that instead of using shredded mixes, but you can always use shredded for this salad. This recipe for the Mexican salad calls with 1 can of black beans. You don't have to use the beans if you don't like them, but they add a lot of flavor to the recipe if you do. Make sure that when you take out the beans from the can that you strain them and wash them with water to get rid of the excess juice. Cilantro is a really flavorful ingredient to add to the Mexican veggie salad. To prepare the cilantro, make sure that you cut as much of the stems off as possible and then just loosely dice the cilantro. You're going to use this at the end. You can use as much of any of the ingredients as you want in this Mexican salad. For the tomatoes, I usually add a really generous amount of them. How I like to prepare the tomatoes is to buy larger ones, usually the ones on the vine or Roma tomatoes, and I cut them in half or quarters and then I hollow them out with a spoon. Once all the juicy gunk is out of the middle of the tomatoes, I go back and I dice the tomatoes into nice chunks. The red onion is diced into bite-sized chunks, just like the tomatoes, and then the red pepper is diced into chunks as well, along with carrots, which are pictured here at the bottom of this jar. Now that the ingredients are all prepared for the salad, you're ready to add everything in, basically at once. Start by adding in all of the vegetables that you just diced. You're going to add the cheese, but you're going to hold the cilantro and the ranch dressing until the end. Stir all of the beautiful, colorful ingredients together until there's a party going on in your bowl. Add in the ranch dressing, and if you decided to use a different quantity of any of the vegetables, you'll probably want to add the ranch dressing 1 or 2 tablespoons at a time. You'll be surprised just how far the dressing stretches. Once you have all of the dressing integrated, it's time to add the cilantro and salt and pepper. Make sure you get a little sample for yourself so you can taste the Mexican salad before you serve it to other people. It should taste absolutely delicious. This is one recipe that will keep continuing to taste even better the longer it sits in the fridge. I'm talking about a few hours to a day. This recipe will last probably no more than a day or 2 in your fridge, but it can probably last up to several. I hope you have a wonderful time making this easy Mexican salad with ranch. It's so delicious and there are so many variations you can do with different vegetables. Until next time, I hope that you have a delicious, wonderful week or weekend, and I'll see you again here soon. Don't forget to subscribe to the sipbitego channel on YouTube for more delicious recipes. Cheers!